Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing encapsulated nails with builder gel for the first time. So obviously you're going to need builder gel, a nail file, some glitter. This is what I'm going to encapsulate, and also going to use some gold foil. And today, instead of using dual forms, I'm going to be using nail forms. I would also recommend that you guys use 2 different brushes, especially if you're going to be using glitter, so you don't mix and mess up the clear builder gel. This gold foil comes in very big chunks, so I'm just going to be breaking it apart into tiny pieces. The chunks are very big and sometimes they all come out at once. And I do have to use the tweezers because this foil is not like tin foil, it's more thin. So when you put it on your hand, it kind of just absorbs into your hand. So definitely use tweezers, you're probably going to need more than one. To prep my nail, I'm just going to get my nail file and file at my nails. Just something really quick, just so that the base gel has something to stick to. So since this is going to be clear nails, you want to make sure that your nails are clean underneath because your nail beds are going to be showing. Also make sure that I push back my cuticles so that I have more room to work with, and then you can go back and file away any dead skin that you choose to. I always forget my primer, but make sure you add your primer so that your nails can last longer. The primer is just going to ensure that it removes any oil base on your nails so that the builder gel can stay longer. Now you can add your base gel. Just do a thin layer in all nails and cure in your LED or UV lamp for about 5 seconds. As I said, I'll be using dual forms today, and dual forms are my preferred method because they just allow you for more control over what you're doing. So here I'm just showing you how I do it. I just stick the 2 ends together, and then I create a curvature at the end, and then I just put my nail in it and get a tight hold. Once the hold is tight, I squeeze the end completely because I'm going to be doing stiletto nails or almond nails. And then at the top, you just want to fold over the excess so that it's even a tighter hold. This is my first time using this brand. This is the brand Venalisa, and they make a builder gel in many different colors, but I decided to get clear, and it is very, very clear. I never found any poly gel that is as clear as this builder gel. My method for this application was to first get my tip because I want to make sure that it's the way I want it, because this builder gel, unlike poly gels, it's runnier, but it's not too runny where you don't have much control. Once you get your tip, then I just went ahead and cured it for about 5 seconds. It doesn't take long. And I would also recommend, if you have it, to use the low power mode on your UV light, because if you use regular mode, it could start burning. Now I'm going to take my other brush and I'm going to go ahead and add my glitter. Now for the encapsulating part, I go ahead, get more builder gel and get my apex right, and once that's good, then I go ahead and focus on covering the glitter on the tip. This builder gel is very nice. Once you move the brush along it, it completely smooths over on its own. It's stringy, but it's a good stringy, as in that it allows for easier movement along the nail. So once I cured the nail, I'm gonna just go ahead and take off the nail form. And this is a good thing to do just so that you ensure that the bottom is also cured. And also you get a little view of how clear the builder gel really is. It's really a nice builder gel. I would recommend it to you guys. Now I'm just going to repeat this in all my other nails. For my middle finger, I'm going to be using the foil instead of the glitter. And seriously guys, you can really see how clear this is. This is not sponsored, but this is very good builder gel. It's very clear, and it's just surprising to me because I've never used poly gel as clear as this before. So maybe for all my clear nails I'll stick to builder gel, even though poly gel is my favorite. Once again, you want to make sure you take off your nail form before you do all your other nails to make sure that the bottom is cured properly. And for all nails, they were cured properly. And it's very clear, very nice, and there is no yellowing. I will keep you guys updated to see if it starts to yellow over the couple days I'm going to have it on. To finish up my nails, first I'm going to use my rubbing alcohol just to wipe the sticky layer off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and get my nail file and just file to get the perfect pointed shape. These ended up being more almond than stiletto, but either way, they turned out nice. Once done filing, I just went ahead and got my diamond bit and go over all my nails just to remove any marks on the nail. Sometimes when you file, it can leave streaks on the nail, so this just smooths over the surface. Time for the top coat. And this is so beautiful, guys. Look at the glitter as I apply this top coat. It's very nice. Oh my gosh. It's literally like crystal. I've attempted this before with polygel, but as I said, it wasn't as clear, and this is just so surprising to me. I didn't imagine a nail product could be this clear. Maybe acrylic, but never something gel base. Very nice. Once I was done with the top coat, I just went ahead and added some cuticle oil. And these are the final results. So these are just some views that I took inside where I was filming, but the outside video is very telling of how clear it is. It's a very nice product. And I'm excited. I really like my nails. It's giving Cinderella vibes, I'm not sure. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the other video.
Give it to me like